Hi guys, today we're gonna open a few Hot Wheels, well, free, so I'm not gonna say anything in the intro, but whatever. The first one is a Morgan Super Free, probably one of the ugliest cars ever made. Here it is. Morgan Super Free. I've been wanting to open this one for a long time. Next up is the Citroën Ami. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the brand, but whatever. Here it is. I honestly don't know which is the back or the front, but I think this is the front. Probably two of the ugliest cars. This one is my favorite. The 70 Plymouth Superbird. Probably one of the greatest cars of all time. Here it is. I'm really happy to have that. So getting all of this crap out of the way. These are all free of the cars.